Then we are gonna warm up. I have some heavy cream here. It's 33%. It's not really heavy cream. We're gonna warm it up to bring it to a point before boiling point. So don't boil it, just make it very nice and very warm. And as you do that, let's add a good splash of vanilla extract. I love my vanilla extract. There you go. Always stir. And then this is optional because carnivores generally don't use sweeteners, but for ketovores, we are gonna add some sweetness to the cream, which is already sweet. It's even better with the vanilla extract. So I am using real stevia. There you go. I'm gonna add one more spoon. There you go. And we continue to stir until it gets very, very warm. Super hot, kind of before it boils. And there is nothing wrong with using your knuckle to feel it and to try it. It's already very yummy. I will suggest that you add a pinch of salt. Some people forget about the salt, how important it is. So yeah, there you have it. A pinch of salt, it really makes the flavor to come out. Beautiful. And now it's nice and warm. So let's go to the next step. Now that the cream is nice and steamy, and you can use full fat milk as well. I'm gonna remove the fork and I'm gonna start adding the cream to the yolks, just like that. Always like be slow and always add it very slowly. There you go. There you go. This is what you want. I don't think it gets any easier than that. I don't know if I mentioned that is half a liter. So 500 milliliters. I'm so sorry. There you go. And now we continue to stir and incorporate it all just like this. You can already tell that it looks wonderful, right? So let's go to the next step. Now here I have this little pan so I can place this silicone mold and I will fill this with very, very hot water and stick it in the oven at 325 for about 45 minutes. to avoid spilling anything, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill it directly inside the oven. We make sure to fill this baby up with water first. Perfect. To the rim, because you know it's going to evaporate. Perfect. Now very carefully we fill it up with a ladle to the top. Pretty simple. If you make a mess, don't worry. We all make a mess. For me, it's a little harder to do this because I am holding the camera with my hand. There you have it. We push it super carefully. There you go. And I'll see you in a little bit.